North East England is home to 200 chemical, biotechnology and pharmaceutical companies, employing the skills of 34,000 people and served by a dedicated transport, training, research and engineering infrastructure. Access to markets worldwide is ably assisted by sector organisations and national bodies like UK Trade and Investment. This world-class cluster of companies is worth £7 billion per annum to the UK economy. Nicholas Piramal India Limited provides contract manufacture of pharmaceuticals from a site acquired from Pfizer, which has been in production for 40 years. They supply 106 different markets from Australia to the USA with ease, all from the North East.
We've never found difficulties in the 30 years that we've been established here in attracting and recruiting any specialist scientific expertise to this facility. At more junior levels of the operation, then there is a heritage of technical-based industries, manufacturing-based industries in the northeast of England. And so attracting the right calibre of individuals to work on shop floor jobs has, again, never been a problem. Our costs on a global basis are very competitive. We're starting to understand that more as we become a contract manufacturer on a global basis. We move goods to over 100 markets worldwide, all the way from Australia, New Zealand, through Southeast Asia, Europe, right across North America.
Northeast is, I would say, it's one of the top shining stars internationally. It's got all the right infrastructure in place. It's got a beautiful environment. You've got all the facilities located close to you, and it's great for family.
The quality of schools, of public services is excellent. Quality of housing is good at reasonable prices, and therefore disposable income levels for anyone in a reasonable employment are much higher.
D1 Oils is a new biofuels business covering the whole supply chain from field to filling station. The region's strong sector heritage made it easy for them to recruit exactly the right kind of chemical operatives.
Biofuels is a huge growth area. As an industry which started a matter of 5 years ago, we are at the leading edge of that field in terms of meeting the laid down targets of being able to supply 20% of the UK's road fuel requirement from a renewable source by the year 2020. So the prospects are fantastic. Well, the quality and skills which are available here in the North East meet all our requirements. This part of the North East is well known, world class, for its oil plants, for the petrochemical plants, for the steel industry. It has, therefore, the kind of people which we need to operate our plants. Agencies such as One North East have been a great help to us here in being able to point us in the direction when we want it outside, help from universities, and we set up a number of agreements to do that. And in terms of bringing other people with other skills that have been a use to us. When you're starting up a company, you need all the help you can get.
In 2006, SABIC acquired Huntsman's ethylene cracker and a polyethylene plant nearing completion. Combined financial and sector development support from various regional organisations has helped SABIC's ambitious expansion plans.
SABIC is a very successful company. SABIC corporately is one of the top 10 petrochemical companies in the world and has growth plans to increase its size by 10% per annum over the next 5 years. The industry is constantly restructuring, and I think that it's becoming more and more internationalised, more and more global, and SABIC is at the forefront of that change. The clusters in the North East are very important. First of all, they create wealth for the region. Secondly, on the back of that, they create a huge number of jobs. Collectively, over 200 companies come together. That allows the cluster to have a huge voice. The workforce is flexible, it's adaptable. It's a workforce that will understand change. It's willing to embrace change. And the fact that it understands that is a huge advantage. I think the transport links in the North East are second to none. We are very well served by deep sea ports, road networks, rail networks and access to local airports. SABIC and others have seen the North East as a tremendous area for growth. They've seen a skilled workforce, they've seen tremendous infrastructure, and they do have faith in this region. And I would say to other companies that what SABIC and others have seen is true, and I would welcome any industry to come and join us in the North East.
North East England, passionate about business.